Hi everyone, it's Hili Zavaro. Today I would like to show you PIXTON. It's a website to create comic strips, very rich with many different options. So how do we do this? We start by going to PIXTON.com, click sign up right here, and educator, of course. After you complete the sign up process, which you can do with your Google account, go ahead and click new class. Give it a name, for example, 10th grade, and then click next. Then choose at least 9th grade, because less than that it will be difficult to share. People would have to sign up in order to see other people's comic strips, so best to just write 9th grade. Continue. Choose the subject. Continue. Continue. Now, if you are using Google Classroom or you have Google IDs, definitely choose this option. If you don't, click using PIXTON usernames. Today, I will show you how to use this using PIXTON usernames. Click choose. And now all you need to do is write your student's name. Just use first names. For example, Danny, Hili, Ziva, Tali, Ronen, Yali. As you can see, it's very, very easy to do, very quick. Then you click continue and you'll be able to see your whole class on the same page with their username. So best to present this in class. Now you have this link. So all you need to do is just tell your students to copy this link onto their own computers, or to just find a way to send them the link. You can click copy and send them the link. Though it's a very, very short link, they can just copy it from the board onto their laptops or computers. We click close. And now we can see all our students' usernames, so they can just see their usernames and copy it. So this is how we do it. Let's say I'm a student. I'm going to go to this link and I'm going to write my username. Tally 7338. The first thing it's going to ask you to do is create your avatar. So students need to click make my avatar so you can have a classroom photo of all the students. So Tali would have to just adjust and design. People really like this part. Students really like it. So it's very motivating. And when they're done, they click done. And they show in the classroom photo, click continue, and then they start creating their first comic. So they click create my first comic, and they give it a name, for example, the amusement park, for example. Then click continue. Then they get to this board, and I really recommend not demonstrating or explaining too much, because it's really intuitive and students like to explore and try it out themselves. The general thing here is that you have background, characters, focus, which is to be close or far, and words, what the characters actually say. So here under background, you can just choose, let's say, the dinosaurs or the classroom or anything at all, and note that if there's a lock on the picture, it's not free, so just don't use those with the locks. This you do have to tell students. Okay, so I'm going to choose, let's say, this background, and now we can go to characters right here at the top and choose the characters. And you can also change the position, the dress, anything you'd like. And what's nice about it is that you have the word actions here, and that is for the way they stand, what they do with their body. So you can really change the way the character looks and behaves. If you want to add a cell phone to the character, you can click on the little hand. And the rest costs money, but you can add a cell phone. Alrighty, so basically, next thing you would do is you would do words. And in the words, students would have to write. So this is where they practice their writing skills. So they can write something like, I'm so bored. What can I do today? Enter. And you have the speech bubble right here. By pressing on the Alt, you can always move it around in holding the object. And you can always click on them again to change them if you like. Once you go back, you can also change the focus right here. So it could be very close, as you can see. And it could be far. And you can also change the character's facial expressions here on their face. That's pretty much it. If students want to save time, they should duplicate the same slide. So they click on the 3 dots here and duplicate panel. And here you have the same picture right here. You can just click on the words and just change it to something like, it is sunny. I think I'm going to go to the amusement park today. Okay. And another cool thing that you can do, I'll show you that. I'm going to add another picture here. I'm going to duplicate this slide again and change the background. So I'll have something like this, and here I can change it to sun or maybe evening or night with these right here. And that's it. That's how students basically structure their comic strip. When they're done, they click the word done right here. And then they're able to share it using a link here in the share with their family and friends. So they have this link that they can send to people. Another thing that they can do is they can just download it to their computer or print, which is really nice if you want to have kind of like a gallery show. So they can print it. As far as the teacher view, you just need to enter the class, click View Class. And then you'll be able to see all your students. Once you click, let's say I'm clicking on Tali to see what she created, I can see the comic strip she created. So I have full control of everything. So I hope you like this tutorial and create wonderful writing activities for your students. For example, they can create the comic and then present it, so they practice some speaking skills as well. You can also write writing activities after reading different texts, writing a comic strip about the text, or a comic strip that is a twist or something that wasn't in the story, something extra. If you need any ideas, feel free to send me a message on Facebook and we'll discuss. So enjoy. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day and I'll see you next time.